Good morning to all of you. In today's lab, I have to give few instructions, right? First thing is the exercise of HTML practices I have uploaded in your MFJ portal, which you have to complete, right? Based on that workshop, this one, right? Just a second, I'm presenting my screen. Next, these activities you have to do, all activities. And second task I have assigned to you all. Before 6th of February, you have to define one system, select one system, and I have shared one sheet. In that, you have to enter your details. Now, what you have to do, that we will discuss detail over here. Right? Uh, First thing, general instructions. Let me discuss with you all. You have to prepare a two-page static website. That website you have to prepare with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. At the end of semester you have to submit, but it's not like on the last day you will submit. Periodically in every lab you have to show your work, that till now what you have do, what next you will do, right? This how we will execute. Now every individual student have to define the system and have to start working, so no group activity. Now the third thing, I will discuss how you will do this work. Okay. So first thing is find your area of interest. See, there are many domains are there. Like you can create the system for your, if your father is having your business, so you can build the system for them. If you are interested for a shopping sites, you are interested for a social networking sites, you are interested for any system where you can share the data like related to cooking recipes, student related materials, any exam related informations. There are number of applications, right? So these are the domains. Among that you have to select the one. See, I'm just giving the example. It is not like you have to select this one only. It's up to you, right? Once you have defined, from my side I have present my screen. Right now I'm just discussing, right, that what you have to do and how we will execute that project. I'm discussing on that part. Before that you not need any screen. Okay, so first all the student, the deadline to submit the definition is 6th of February. Already I have shared one sheet, right, on your institute ID. Let me provide the link over here also. Just a second. Yeah. This sheet I have shared, in which you have to enter your details with your topic. Do not forget, tomorrow is the last day. Now suppose what you have to do, you are preparing the website for your shopping site. Say, or another is like you are preparing the website for a student side material sharing. We can go with any, let's go with the shopping side. So first task is what you have to define your system. After that, you have to prepare the website of 10 pages. So you have to define the subcategory, subdomain of that. Shopping can be of a grocery, shopping can be of a clothes, it can be of any home items. So that you have to define that you will provide the functionality for what. Suppose you are going for the clothes. So in the clothes, again the subcategories are women, men, and children. You can even refer the same similar available websites, right? Like we are using Amazon, Flipkart. There are many. For your preparation, you have to do the research work of similar website. Then you will get the idea that okay, how many types of functionalities we can add in our system. So that you have to define, right? And according to that, you have to prepare the page. Like one page will be contact us, about us. Total 10 you need to define. First, you have to do this kind of work before starting actual implementation. Then you have to start your process step by step. Suppose you are creating a shopping and then you have create for the women. Again, in a woman there are subcategories, right? Like it's for the based on the number of subcategories in types of clothes, types of range, then colors and everything are added over there. So these individual things you have to work out. At the end, you are able to prepare one website. If you are going for the material, then which for which stream, right? From school for 11, 12 science, commerce, engineering, another branches. In a engineering, which branch? Like if you go with the computer engineering, so computer engineering we are having 8 semesters. In a semester you are having the subjects. I'm just giving the ideas, right? So you can start your work. Because if I look the seat, till now I'm not getting any entries in this. And tomorrow is the last day. In prior I have informed still. So in today's lab, first priority will be define the definition. For that, if you need help, you can communicate with me. And that is the reason I'm discussing the ideas. Nowadays, many advanced level technologies are available, but right now, start the work area of your interest. In this semester, it's like you will learn how to design static website. Later on, you have to learn web technologies, advanced web technologies, where you will learn the advanced level of functionalities. Say, for example, to convert your static website into dynamic website or to host your website. That step-by-step process you will learn. And that is the reason in this, according to your syllabus of HCDA, you have to focus more on designing. And that is the reason you have to create the static website over here. So, am I clear to everyone? You are getting the idea how you have to work next for this subject. See, if you are having any doubt, you can ask to me. Any student? And if you define your domain and website, that entry, if it is pending, you can do it right now. Second thing, if you go with this activities, so CV already you have created. Next, you can start, that is create a Marwadi University timetable using the tags, right? So for that, again, what you need to do is open your class timetable. Let me just present it. So you have to Okay. So now this is your current class timetable, right? The first thing is what? See, this all are a part of a table, right? You have to insert first this Marwadi logo image. So how to insert an image that we already have practiced, right? You have to use image tag. In that you have to provide the source and alternate text ALT, right? Then over here you have to provide the details like which branch, right? And this is nothing but like you are creating TR and TD tag you have to use TH, that tags you have to use, but you have to arrange it such a way like this over here. This is the first row, right? But over here for this column, that row will be divided into three parts because this is the left session. Same way at another place also. So merge, you have to merge the cell, you have to unmerge the cell, that things you have to apply. So two activities you have to do in today's lab. First, define the definition in which domain you want to work. When you come for the next lab, I will ask you that which 10 page you will prepare for your website. You can represent it with the one doc. Your topic must be ready and which 10 page you will prepare for your website. That work you have to start. You can start it by today also. Any student is having any idea? Have you decided any website on which you will work or you are interested or you want to do it for your business, for your father's business? And the student at least enter your details in that sheet right now. How many of you have complete your CV? That activity we have discussed previously. Randomly, I will ask you to present your screen. What about other students? Yes, Parth, can you just present your screen so other students also will get the idea? Already I have shared my one, and we have also provided the material and document to all, which you can refer and through which you can prepare your CV. And it's not like that you will not perform the activities. This subject is like you have to do more effort. You have to practically implement over here. And every student's applications will be differ. It's not like a regular subject practical which I will perform and parallelly you will do. Over here you have to work on your idea, your system. And everyone is working on different topic. So at least you have to give some effort. Then and then you will get the outcome. Yeah, Parth, you just share your screen so other one also will get the idea. Because my one already I have shared previous session. Yeah, okay. Yes, Parth, it is visible. You can unmute and you can discuss. Okay, very good. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Good. So whatever the points I have listed, you have added all. Very good. See, first you have to start from the basic one. You not focus on CSS and JavaScript. Right now, you just understand and practice basic HTML tag. Okay. Just go above part, first one. Yeah. So first thing we have discussed, right? That what you have to do, you have to add the title of your whatever the thing you are doing. So path you added that, right? This is the basic structure. In a header, you have to add that. Then in a body part, you start building this. So first, I told that you have to insert the image. So he have done the same thing. You can modify or resize your image. Then the next one, yes, career objective I have told. So within that H1 tag, you have to write your paragraph because your content will be in a paragraph tag. Then for your education qualification, you need to create the table. The same thing we have done. Table tag inside that TR and TH tag. Whatever number of columns you need to create, that you have to pass in a th. Number of rows you can create with the tr tag. So it's easy. It's not that much difficult. And understand this table syntax. Same you have to apply for creating your Marwadi University timetable. Same code, but just you have to rearrange it and you are able to prepare the timetable also. Yes. Okay, Parth, go ahead. Okay. Technical skills I told to create the next. So that you have done. Okay. Then curricular activities. Okay. Strength you have added. Very good. Yeah. Then the personal details. Okay. Yes. And see, you can use different tags of headers. H1 to H6. Good. Yeah. So this is how you can prepare your CV. Because it's clearly mentioned you have to create it with the HTML tag only. So now it's understandable and easy for others also or not. Or you just run it once. Okay, okay, no issue, fine. They have seen the outcome. So now you will start this or not. You can do this or not. Okay, so continue or do this process. Actually, today's activity is two things. Define the definition for your work and create this Marwar University timetable. So start your work. After some times, I will ask you to present your screen. Okay, very good. Many students have entered the details on which they will work. Good.